Hey everyone, welcome to Flick and Phrase series. I'm Tammy.
And I'm Dauny. How's it going, everyone? In this series, we'll learn practical English phrases from movie clips and see how to use them in real-life situations.
You can send us your favorite phrases in the comment section. We will try to feature them in our next videos.
Today, we've got a super fun episode all about the topic of meeting people. We're going to learn 5 awesome phrases that native speakers use all the time.
That's right. We've got some great movie clips to show you, and we'll break down each phrase so it's super easy to understand.
So grab your notebook and popcorn, and let's dive in with the first phrase.
We should meet up later and grab dinner.
We could meet up Saturday night if you want.
I was supposed to meet up with her, but I can't find her.
You were a free man, wouldn't you try to meet up with your friends?
Okay, so the phrase here is meet up.
Meet up is super simple. It means to get together with someone at a specific time and place.
Exactly. It's usually planned, not by accident. You arrange it before.
Perfect. Here's mine. I'm meeting up with my old college friends next week.
See? Super practical. You'll use this one all the time.
Now, phrase number 2 coming up.
Yeah, well, the next time we run into that hunter...
There is no we, okay?
There are 2 people in a wood, and they run into a bear.
You know, you're the perfect person for me to run into.
I gotta say, North Island's the one place I thought for sure I'd never run into you.
Did you catch that phrase? Run into.
Now, this is different from meet up because it's not planned.
Right. Run into means to meet someone by accident or by chance.
You didn't plan it. You just happened to be at the same place at the same time. Surprise!
Here's my example. I ran into my neighbor at the supermarket yesterday. It was so random.
Nice! And here's mine. Guess what? I ran into my ex-girlfriend at the gym. Super awkward.
Oh no. But yeah, that's a perfect example. Totally unexpected. On to the next phrase.
I think we need to break the ice before the wedding.
So we need to break the ice.
No, I'm just trying to break the ice.
We've got to break the ice sometime.
This phrase is so useful. Break the ice.
Break the ice means to do or say something to make people feel more comfortable in an awkward or tense situation.
Think about ice. It's cold and hard, right? So when you break the ice, you're making things warmer and friendlier.
It's usually about starting a conversation when things feel uncomfortable.
My example, the meeting was really quiet at first, so I told a joke to break the ice.
Good one. Here's mine. On the first day of class, our teacher asked us to play a game to break the ice.
Perfect. This phrase is especially helpful in professional settings too.
Okay, next phrase.
You and I didn't exactly hit it off.
Look, I'm happy that the girls hit it off.
I've really hit it off with your parents.
I recently installed this cable and we just hit it off.
Love this one. Hit it off.
Hit it off means you'd immediately get along really well with someone when you first meet them.
There's like an instant connection. You just click.
Exactly. You can use it for friendships or romantic relationships.
Here's my example. I was nervous about meeting Sarah's friends, but we totally hit it off.
Aw, sweet. Mine is, my roommate and I hit it off right away. We became best friends within a week.
When you hit it off with someone, it feels easy and natural. No effort needed.
Now, last phrase of the day.
Here we go.
We didn't really get along in high school.
I thought you 2 didn't get along.
We're gonna get along just fine.
You could have at least tried to get along with my father.
And our final phrase is get along.
Get along means to have a friendly relationship with someone. You don't fight, you're compatible.
This one is more general than hit it off. It's about the ongoing relationship, not just the first meeting.
Right. You can get along with coworkers, family members, classmates.
You can also use the negative, we don't get along.
My example, do you get along with your boss? Yeah, we get along pretty well.
Great. Here's mine. My brother and I didn't get along as kids, but now we're really close.
You can also say get along with someone. Like, I get along with everyone in my office.
And that's all 5 phrases. Let's do a quick recap.
These are seriously useful for talking about your social life in English.
So try using them as soon as you can and as much as you can.
And let us know what other phrases you want us to cover.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.